How to set nicknames on Instagram. First thing first, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Instagram. Once you have got the latest version of the app, simply open it. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Now swipe left and move into your chat section. Head over to the inbox of the person that you want to set the nickname. Once you are in their inbox, right here you can see that I have already set the nickname of this person. Let me show you the process on how you can change it. Tap on the username of this person at the very top of the screen. You can see the feature called Nicknames. Tap on it. Click on their name. Now you have to erase this name. And then enter the new nickname that you want to set. Once you have entered, tap on Done at the top right. And there you can see that the nickname of this person has been set. Not only this, you can also change the option on who can change or edit your nickname. Click on this option right above your name. 3 different options will be available to you. You can set according to your need. Let me set it to people you follow for now. Now only the people you follow will be able to change your nickname. And then you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can set nicknames on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.